Dear students, welcome you all to my channel. Today we will discuss another poem named Nine Gold Medals, which is composed by David Roth. We will discuss some important multiple choice questions on this poem. The first question is, this poem, Nine Gold Medals, is about importance of gold medals, true sportsman spirit, a local athletic meet, how Special Olympics are organized. Correct option is true sportsman spirit. Number 2, what do gold, silver and bronze stand for? Medals, ornaments, prizes, cups. Correct option, medals. The final event of the day means the final of an athletic event, the last athletic event, prize giving ceremony, cultural programs. Correct option is the last athletic event of the day. Question number 4, where was the final event held? In a stadium, in an indoor stadium, in an old field, in an old park. Correct option is in an old field. Next question, what was the final event? 100-meter race, a marathon race, a 100-meter slow cycle race, a relay race. Correct option is 100-meter race. Next question, to cheer on all young women and men. In this underlined phrase, all young women and men refers to dash, athletes, spectators, guests, organizers. Correct option is spectators. Next question, why is the pistol sounded in 100-meter race? For the sound of the gun, as a signal to start running, to entertain the spectators, to get the runners ready. Correct option is as a signal to start running. Question number 8, why did the smallest runner fall down? He was a disabled person, he was pushed by other runners, he was too weak to run, he lost control as he stumbled. Correct option is D, he lost control as he stumbled. Question number 9, whose excitement grew high to begin? The poet, the spectators, the athletes, the organizers. Correct option is the spectators. Why did the smallest runner give out a cry? He fell behind of others in the race. He was severely injured. His dream to win a medal shattered, spoiled. He had a terrible leg pain. Correct option is his dream to win a medal shattered or spoiled. Question number 11. I am standing here telling the story. Here I refers to the smallest runner, David Roth the poet, the runner's brother, one of the organizers. Correct option is the poet, David Roth the poet. Question number 12. How did the 9 runners come to the finish line? Running slowly hand in hand, carrying the smallest runner speedily, walking hand in hand, walking one by one. Correct option is walking hand in hand. Why did all the runners walk to the finish point? They were tired so much. The injured runner was unable to run. The finish point was so close, they were very weak. Correct option is the injured runner was unable to. Question number 14. Why did the spectators give standing ovation to the 9 runners? For their excellent running performance, for their winning 9 gold medals, for their true sportsman spirit full of empathy and cooperation? None of these. Correct option is C. For their true sportsman spirit full of empathy and cooperation. Question 15. What are the other 8 runners like? Self-centric, jealous, empathetic, non-cooperative. Correct option is empathetic. Question number 16. Why were 9 gold medals given to each runner? For coming to finish line together at a time, for coming to the finish line together at a time, for their empathy for each other, winning the standing ovation, for their innocent beaming faces. Correct option is for their empathy for each other. Last question. Special Olympic is meant for all athletes, women athletes, specially selected athletes, differently abled athletes. Correct option is D. Special Olympic is meant for differently abled athletes. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find all these questions in your essay too. Thank you once again.